Welcome to a special edition of Pass and Move podcast here at Mpopoma, the new Benaya supermarket. You know, as always, Pass and Move is proudly brought to you by Benaya Foods. I'm your host, Archford Hatebe. I want to say I improve. I think I was introduce. I'm coming here I'm always with my soccer star, Machis.
Mdala, alright mdala.
Ngiswima ka
Siyabonga namhlanje silande empoyeni.
Namhlanje nzekazi unowama chips nyama yonke ubhango
bebuzana ukhathi uhamba njani
ubhango kuyafika ubhena but chose a perfect spot for supermarket
ya siyabonga Benaya siyabonga usilethela lapha kuMpopoma Empophoma.
Siyabonga uyabona ukutharaza phela ikazi uzwa ngoba uthuja ama sound
uyabona awufa
but it's nice to be outside mina vele mbona kumele sihlale siphande
thanks to
inyanga le
sokunye ukuthi but iphandle ngani senza mnandi
you understand so inyanga le singabhonga ama special edition sport amabhena wonke
you
understand
abantu bebona ukuthi Benaya yakho na yipi ingakwa kona mayenza
at least empoma sebe le ID ukuthi babone ukuthi uhamba njani
ayakhathana sebona but ngingathumeza imali abalothenga eBenaya
you understand kuba easy
kuhle kube easy
surrounded impuphu yonke into kuyafika phakathi la umphakathi uhappy ngeBenaya
njengalamhla umphakathi lokhu ngena namhla senza into right
kanti uthi abantu bezwakala bebuthi uhamba njani siphuma ku-independence siphuma ku-Easter
kuningi lamuhla
lo popular sesishiya may his soul rest in peace
kunzima
utshone after kuvuka kwenkosi uJesu Kristu kunzima siyahleka phana kuhlekisa umuntu utshonile babona even ezweni eItaly bakhansilile
amagame bakhansilile hawo
but nyamangala lapha silama room amanye acasta abakhansila abahloniphi
bezibona lapha hlala khona
anyways to be independence bekulama game
izimet 45
zimet 45
kuhle kwaba lama game but indoda bekunzima ndoda
kuningi okwenzakeleyo
kuningi kakhulu
a lot happened kule bhora bisegogweni bise-White City mnambe White City lo Ncubezi sabukela ilenda le chicken
ladlala la 90 minutes
ladlala 90
manje linye ladlala 15
lana ngikwazi sayikhuluma sithini ayibhora zeladlala 15 minutes
7 minutes ijafu mntana
baro kana badlala 15 kuphela
batshintsha amasayidi
yabona
Facebook batshintshile amasayidi
that's steady bora but kwaba 0-0 15 minutes yakho
kwaba 0-0 bacina beshifta usiya umapenalty but bathi kuthiwa ungahambeki izulu
le ground
wangadlaleki
wawona amanzi abona umpost echayini sliding tackle uphula amadaka
thanks to Libertino wahle capture moment lana mdala
but back to independence iPlatinum yathatha 3 note
ngama-penalty
karolo kuze babehle uchama wembekwa yini umbe babesindwa
sizathi maybe babechelela amanzi vele pitch kwawungayenzi ndoda bawungayenzi vele into zakho
isimba khanya ama-penalty yabahlupha
and
even ku-right
sebedliwe kakhulu kuma-penalty
ebedlala ama-final amaningi ama-penalty
but abakwanisi khanya kuyabe kunzima
but 15 minutes yabuchisile
15 minutes inzima wesi le weather liyana ndoda le weather yabe ngavumi because khanyela bona bafika late le map yabungakwathi bachayile kumba bachaya
laphana kwenziwa into zebhola
laphana vele kwaso ukuthi siyenze njengento ekhona uyabona nje ukuthi abantu sebehambile bamelele ukuthi Simba Platinum ngone ibhola lidlalwe liphele
kuyaso wangasela option but ama-game onalana Tobi abengekho sanctions ama-game lana abengekho zifa and what
hayi lana hayi nana ngamagame lana ukuthi
celebration
ilokhuzeni
but ngecondition enjalo yini lile game ngelokhuzeni
lile game lana vele kuyamele liwadlale ngoba igame lana yifixture ehlifakwa injani izwe vele igovernment isithi laba kumele bedlale ngokuya kule cup nama medal
but yabona like iweather ya yayifaka ama players I believe yayifaka ama players at risk.
Yeah, that's true.
There
are some injuries and stuff.
And labana babefaka ama players azadlala
yazadlala futhi kuligi.
You understand?
But igovernment into yawazi kuyomele vele kunjani ufulufile ukudlala.
Eish
Plus kathesi ukuthi ibe ngesikhathi esingayisiso
kule Easter kule ama fix phaka yabo
but kuma isikhathi 18
uyawungela lutho lwenzakala
eyakathesi sukuyabanzima
ngabona ichicken insidlela ile lokuzeni alabana bakufaka ku team B at least kwadlala nje 1 or 2
abangadlaliyo manje ama couple lana vele uyabusenzela labana abangela game time ku league for ukuthi lawe betholi exposure betholi fitness match fitness yabe kubanceda la kibo futhi
but just goba ngabonani le ndawo labafana aba blind abangakwani
abancane
kulomfana lo osuka Ajax
halo khona ibhura kuyalazi
thong mayo
bamthi ngushuka shuka
nickname yakhe leni ibizo lakhe original awuyachuva nje
akuyalazi
kwasitomele bengicheckela amabizo last time wawuphuza ukuthi bengicheckela amabizo uthi ama viewers ebekwazi bemkhanyile
bengathi ushuka
awuyachuva lwana I think in the near future
gain confidence
exactly because amagame njalo anceda very French players
yiko bantwana wathi seyasebebona ke so la ile confidence yabe sibuildeka than ukuthi uhlumjile kawana eBF yacina ubone ngani but boys high man but yena a good player but his stage isesinjani
simkhulu I think I saw 2 or 3 good players nje ku both sides but the chicken in one babelinuka babangafana lele first kulona elibambile lo ukeep
uArusha
nguyebamba angaservice
uyabamba is a good goalkeeper
uthi ngathethela uDonovan
yafiwa but is a good goalkeeper
is a good ngambona even
service enyaweni
service
into zakhe
so anjabona into ezinjalo amagame lana abenceda
usubona
ukuthi umuntu ngu team B nguyisabhuka lokhu ka Donovan
icover yakhe
you understand anceda amagame ichicken yadlala le ndawo 1-0 ukuthi bebe number 3
bethatha icup lawe
leyo ngama sense khona
okukhona medal yabikakatheki
kakhulu then to women's football that happened over the weekend we saw a couple of games of the Zim ladies kulama iyalinda la ikhona ku lokuzeni ku Premier League lo ngama lokuzeni ama team kule enye othunjela yona le yala
anti kule lapha sile Highland sile Imposa Academy eMpopo mahayi le
yona
Division 2
badli Black Mambas
2-0 ingweli that because last week badli Highland bewuyide
befukhuma Highland abakhala abantu bathi mama labana bayenza shama
mike babona bedlala le Platinum kunzima
ubukelile
kunzima mphongo ubona maybe 15 minutes
badle 3-0
badle 3-0 kunzima kunzima I think wesilaphana last year andi bithethe ama players from Imposa babamsekuloni so Imposa ithethe abantu so weqalisa ukubhidla plus a new coach yabona so kunzima
ake beku trick
but Imposa I think they're doing well Imposa I think they're doing fine
so kubo mama laphana yiko yoma team esilawa vele eside nyanga
aku Premier yona la
but Platinum bayadla ni Platinum la iseduze la ticket
experience antsho yabona ukuthi dala labo bathatha amabala ama good players
le rentals
le Chapungu
yoma team
abomama abukwazi ukuthi kuyahanja
angana hlupha
uyabukwazi ukuthi kuyafiwa but I think that ibhola labafazi so kumele ama-sponsor I think ebe maningi
usakhumula basikhuluma nge-sponsorship umagadi ngani pull out
I think so because uyabubona la uthi standard sabo sokumele laso sikhwele
kuncedwa khona i-sponsorship
nge-sponsorship
sikhambelane
nabafana.
I think it would be a wise decision be-approach lokhuzini ikhasi
isisponsor exactly
ithi sponsor konke abafazi la it will make sense le mali yangikhona ingani kuya raise
because amafazi njalo kuyomela travel, imagine umposa laba kumele ama-team amaningi
suke empophoma yezishabane andibamba kaningi
bamba kaningi maybe bona ebulawayo badlala ka-2 liyayilinda kuphela
it's the same thing even emadodeni
uyabo. So I think la ngapha ebulawayo somele ebe maningi ama-team
so sponsorship
yafunakala
like
kakhulu.
serious
Yafunakala kakhulu
ngoba cabanga nje uchapungu le
chapungu uyabona ndoda ngapha ngabafazi kumele bakhempise kumele benzeni uyabona into ezinyazona
vele kumele kufanane to
nakufanane sibini because indawo ama-league abafazi uyabona ukuthi improvement ikhona isiningi sebethatha lakho serious
exactly then kini ngapha
sesisiya
D1
antsho yabona sikalise ngegwanda
khatshana usukhatha igwanda olukhulu congratulations 3 points
3 points each game every day kumele sibone ukuthi
ngiyacheck ilogini akuzaba mnandi
imnandi be
uyasicheck into ansakhuthi i-division 1 I will make sure ukuthi ama-division 1 games nxa ikhona I'll watch
at least 1 or 2 la ubona ukuthi competition yangikhona ime njani
kulama games which are entertaining division 1
kakhulu ibhola selichinjile
yeah football is really changed ngabona game yenu le case mine ngike ngabona khona ukuthi
ibhola selichinjile last year the number 2 yabo so uyabona ukuthi competition yangikhona still akusatsho case mine uve kudala nto oto case mine amakhaya lokwana
but balaba ngabona uSimba Sithole
antsho yabona
former Ajax Cape Town wena ngeke abantu abanabo amathi bemakhaya
ingobele ukuthi
ibhola
selichinjile
lune one note ngabona i-Zebra Revolution i-Zebra Revolution is doing well ngakadliwa la umkhokheli kuyabe kufiwa versus ndlini kuyabe kuyidebi bula Chiefs versus Zebra Revolution not to be missed then kule yenye ekamthulisi
ithiwa yini le
umthulisi kakawini Mthulisi Maphosa new coach
but I think ikhona khona ukuthi beqalisa la antsho yabona ukuthi ufica team lani sichaya pre-season uthathele phakathi so ukuthi eqalise la ukujela kwenzima but I think la maybe after 5 games uyabe sechayile la sebonile labafana sebemthemba ukuthi into ayicho kuyini uyabona
because ilogenu Bulawayo City
down to
ngama goals laba win iwangela isiqasile ukuwina wona isibulawayo City number 1 Zebra Revolution number 2 then lina Bulawayo Chiefs number 3 so kuyiwange le Bulawayo Warriors iBlack Rock ekamthulisa odingisho number 16 daza le phansi
but let's hope la uyaphika
then ilokhuzeni basabhala ukuthi iArnel but so iAjax
ngare sekuconfirm ukuthi Ajax
so confirm but abakaji
sokusele ukuthi inemchange
ukuthi utshintshe ibizo labo bawinile athi bese Fela Bus
kade beku-Jordan eFela Bus
badla iJordan la yena ethwele zonke number last so kobulawayo phela this time division 1
kuyahanjwa because ama-team amaningi akobulawayo
kunzima
ama-derby waya
but it's good ukuthi
it's good for abantu ukuthi bebe bezobona ibhola because anjalo ukuthi awusela iPremier League singawukela ichicken awusela siselele ayilinda
I was happy attendance yegameni abantu babuye eluve kwakugcwele
abantu babuya abantu they are starving ibhola so
anje
so division 1 at least iliyabelokela ibiza abantu
then ngapha lokhuzeni abona iGwanda uJohn Zgozo la former players yabona ama former players ngaba maningi uma positions wonke ibhola uyancida ilokhuzeni le development yebhola
akakhulu plus babeli idea la uyabona hayi kungcono uma ubona ufema play isenzani ukutshela la imessage la uyabona ukuthi okay into le la uvela kiyo uyayazi
So it's still unbeaten Kwanda Pirates.
Still unbeaten.
6 points.
You need 4-1.
4 nje. Ugozi
home kuyahanjwa.
Ugozi usayibambile shabo.
Wethi nge-FNB selabana nje.
Kuyafiwa?
Yahanjwa lama. Maningi ayaphuma lama.
The rule yenye yibo lile Eastern region yayo. Bodele thoba lelo wangu matsozo engani ufuru ba serious.
Bakhala bakawini.
Abakawini
bale 3-1.
Yabona wekaza tekutshela ko. Busy ukuze Toby awufa.
Ekazi ya.
James yakade ithotha inombe
mombe yaora.
Lady Northern.
Northern. Yafi Northern.
Bana bachova ofada ba.
Abe mombe yaora. Kuyahanjwa ni basi Harare City 4.
Ile Harare so team odlala.
Lama experience yabo Ramani phela. Ukutsanzira.
Ala niyachova la.
Hayi mombe yaora kanye serious.
Chama 4.
Very A4. Why.
Akudlalwa nje ilapha.
Kuyahanjwa.
Now to the business of the
day.
Of the day. Yeah. Ahle siqase doping ngendaba le engambambisha. Quick
eshawo nzima.
Sikhulume ngayo last week ukuthi baphuzile egameni ngantu ama-fans what. But mjala imagine walkover le ku home.
Eshawo nzima ama player lambili. Kanya since January abatholi lutho. So
from January
khanya uya lutho yiko kathesi because kunzima ukuthi li strike
lingenelana right ku Premier.
It's another thing futhi yabona
ukuthi Tengsani phela franchise nje ilokhuzini
iproblem ande bona babethi will do it inkinga ngoba lama I think
ngabathengisi franchise
ngabasithengisela ngoba kunzima yabona lama player kumele siwazwele
mtala
yabona ukuthi because awungeke wena uthi imante indawula mali endlini ule pressure ngapha ground pressure uyabona ukuthi vela kuyena
kule ncwadi from iPSL failure to fulfill fixture Kwekwe versus the Renters. The Premier Soccer League wishes to advise its stakeholders that the Kaslaka Premier Soccer League match between Kwekwe United and Renters FC, which was scheduled to be played today, meaning yesterday, and I'm saying Tuesday, meaning yesterday, Monday 21 at Bata Stadium did not take place. We await the official match reports on this matter for determination in accordance with the PSL rules and regulations. The PSL regrets any inconvenience caused to its members, stakeholders and partners. A detailed statement will be provided in due course as soon as all the relevant match reports are received. Mtala, they are now putting the game into disrepute kanjani?
Akakhulu. And sebesenza ileague yethu ngana ukho serious. Because le ngama issue ukuthi kuyamela iPSL layo ibone before because into le bisikhulunywe kudala ekuseni bese ukukhulunywa ukuthi ala ikhwekwe ngani kunjani abanye behambe
la. Barbe ku home.
Because anje laba sekhwekwe kumele betravel beyenga
ekhwero.
So ala vela bebenga kanjani? Bebengakasuki nga ekhwekwe.
Kule video esoculator ku social media angasimbana utsho mabulane encenga ama player uthi hayi bakomana nathi ukumbira.
Because ama player bembona abanye bekuthiwa abaphiwa ama 100. Ama player bona bathi hayi thina sifuna ama 300.
Eish
Nyasifuna ama 300 khanya ama 300 ayalile ukuphuma.
Alright i-team leya ila cash ama player akaholi iPSL izabashangi ngefine
uref umebaba kabhadala ama previous games so
abo blind
so basebunzimeni vele
abo blind ukhwekwe
uza well wisha sponsor sibancede since bokhwekwe ngale
but already sebethanisha ibizo jekelelo lokuzini
le PSL because akwazi ube le ukhofa
havela kuyenzi ukhofa liku home ukhofa liku home akuvumi nje
vela kuyenzi uyaphambanisa ileague yethu
vela ayichayi nje
akuyaphambanisa ibhola
yabonathi vele
thathi serious
abantu vele ngeke bethathe serious ileague nje uyayithatha njani serious ileague abantu bechayo ukhova beku home
ayimali at least maybe because ayenza next time nxa uthi jinani bengena bekale bebuza about imali and stuff
abafaka imithetho phela enjani ezavikela into ezifana nazona lezi,
exactly
yabo, so that it becomes easy
ukuthi financial
ku-account at least, you understand,
for ukuthi
bethi
siyabona amaplazi liyaholisa,
you understand, bethi alright,
avoid into zona lezi.
yes, bethi alright, iclub eku-PSA lan ku-account yabo they must have a minimum of so much ku-account yabo, so that they know ukuthi they will fulfill ama-fixtures,
Ama-fixtures,
players will be well looked after, you understand, izinto ezifana nazona lezi kuyanceda
ilokhu zenini
kuyanceda i-league
ukuthi si-avoid ama-situations anjengalawo ukuthi ama-players akustrike, ama-players afuna lokhu hayi.
then asambe ama-games adlalwe nge-Easter Sunday, aqasene ama-game Saturday
sile game
Easter only one Saturday, i-Green Fuel
leze-PC
i-0-0
i-0-0
they played out to a goalless draw e-Green Fuel, yes,
but vele ize-PC defensive ngani bakhulu
ne
abahlohlwa bona abahlohla,
so it was a stalemate, sasipredictile njengoba
beautiful throw
then Sunday triangle versus Manica.
asakhuluma ngayo futhi game yaleyo.
Speaking about i-triangle, uMangope
first game
Genesis
first win
uyakhumbula last week sathini umbuzo ukhohliwe
ukuthi eyathi efike win
no, besides yena le anti ube ngakaxoshwa phela uLuke si kusho last week uLuke Mazomero ube ngakaxoshwa athi yabona i-team engaxoshwa ucoach i-triangle yabe right because uLuke Mazomero Division 1 bebelana
exactly
you understand
sengikhumbula sithi yena ama-players la kudala elawo and ama-results nxa engaphumi ba right behle bemhambile
kusasemasinyo
okwenziwe
ucoach obuyayo
etholela isikhathi
sokuthi
but now ngihlobo uyayewin yabo,
so we saw be appointa uMangope yabo uBoyze yabona into ezekasi nje ecubezi ekhatha abafana bayazisize befuna ukuzwakala wabona ungezakala
into ezintsha yibo
then back to i-game, the appointment kaGenesis uhle wachiya ngale Tanzania wabuya wathatha i-project eshabo ukucarry from umkhangele yena njengomuntu ode ungenisa eScotland from Dynamo Scotland wathi Tanzania well traveled coach.
I think i-experience yakhe izabanceda because ngumuntu owathi sesegemini for isikhathi yazi yena uyabekwazi ukuthi okay kayela kathesi home usehle wabamba iwini uhle kutshengisela
ukuthi bebengakawini
so kutshengisela manje kathesi ukuthi ukuthi ngayekhipho kathesi sineva easy na yabo, so I think
it speaks volumes there
because kuyada nguyade khona phela kade they were doing well iyada yakhe and ibingadleki phela iyada yakhe yabo Shandiro and stuff ayibingadleki, so kathesi engafika khona ngale ekhipho phela mali away ngale akudlalwa imagine i-stadium ngesabo so it's easier for bona ukuthi benjani bebulala abantu vele yabo, so I think
ngoba iyadivi singani si-improve so uhle wafika le 3 points
anti uyabona
then sibone iManica le third one yena ngowathi ngowayipredict
it was a good game
and ungachecka ama-games wonke awe-third one alama-goals Navaya uhlule 2
uyahlohla nje 7 out of 7
7 out of 7 top goal scorer nguye futhi yaba yi-player of the month
uyawuncicha nje
uyavele kanciche
uyawuncicha nje kanti uyamnika
akanciche
uyamnika
so iManica the third one drawing 2-2 then amadoda kakhabili
amaruma
kahambi
sasekhona
Ikare Jay utsho mna le character yamncanywa awutsheli ba. Chitembu. Chitembu Jay.
But amarume athi sengahamba kubuye Thombani uyeni Bhakala.
Yasimezweni.
But bongani uzancedisa uBhakala
yena. Yiko benguzini
ekhona.
Yiko benguzini.
President akutshona wathi yena sifuna uStembu kayindawo
befuna utho emela sign 3s.
Then lwana uyabuya la engene ku technical kwampana encedise kwampa yabo.
So babonana ukuthi iTembu. Ama results lawa they are not showing.
Kunzima.
Kunzima. Cape United is a big side mtala.
A very big one. So abantu laba supporters asela trust. Uyabona itrust iliyani ukuthi
bantu abanesakhuluma labe BF. Babe sithi uTembu bamncanywa njani.
Yena ayithi duel sibili ngeCaps. As a player, as a coach but sometimes kulesikhathi lesani sokuthi hayi sokusala.
Kare singuyilonge saving uPSA dan? Lo mapisa.
Lo mapisa but kwesinye isikhathi uyawusubonile la uthi ama results asapha.
Nje kuphuma.
Kuyasomile la unjani?
It's bad for football. Mina I hate it uthi i-team enkulu ingaperform sharp.
Because yolethe imali eground ama-fans uyabona into ezinjazona lezi.
I-team nje Cape United.
Imagine ama-fans lana engathi sinase sichiya la. Yiko phela kuyayenza lwana wachiya wahamba ku Scotland ifeli yani ithi antshe wonke mina kanye right madoda. Uyabona.
Bachiya vini.
Abantu bachiya, abantu bayekela ukuya stadium.
Baboycott.
Beqinise uma group yabusizo uthi mina stadium ansahamba imali yami every day.
Because kuyabe kubhowa.
Because kuyabusiza ubuhlungu umuntu.
Ama results.
Uyabe ithanda i-team yakhe.
Esibhedo okwenzakala uCape.
Urong
Let's hope soon they will try and
ngabe
ngamcotshanga.
Let's hope ama results akhe. Manje kade
away futhi uJerry besithi ufuna umnika 3s.
Andu Jerry wathi lama fans wathi uyathatha ileague.
Uchitembu. Kuna liga wayithatha. Wena.
Wathi ba carry league.
Then le izolo. Istamanda nani bedlala ngeSunday. Izolo with games we saw iKhoekhoe United yesikhulume ngathi ayihamba eground. Then with Moz le Dynamos.
Lesa siphili Moz. Sasiphili Moz.
Did you see attendance bevula inkoni stadium?
Bewucela.
Ndoda.
Bewucela abantu bafuna
Ndoda.
Enotoni.
But I hope khathesi ama viewers ethu asehambela asebone ngangutsho ngeMoz.
Moz yesh. Ku Team Plus my home man. Mbone ngasoke idliwe.
Moz Jack is well coached. Well coached side. Well Masana. Ubonise phela nje uthi but Moz beating iDynamos 1-0. What does it say ngeDynamos this season?
They are struggling this season.
Ngoba so too much.
This season they are struggling. Uyabona la ukuthi ama-fans, awona ama-team ama-fans ahlupha mntana because they need points. Ngaba vele babona i-danger relegation zonke ziphansi. So
izolo ngizwe kuthiwa anibabe sekuthiwa i700 aniyaqasha i7 million. Ya ku 7000. Izolo kuthiwa so i700.
Sisiya ku 70 la. Sulu zezozotha 7 mntana. Sikwele ndiyathatha abantu la.
So i700.
Yarare yonke yagcina ihamba mntana.
Bala bani problems ngesithi uMablanga. Ama players ahambile nje.
Ama players la ubeqalisa intenje.
La uqala phansi.
Uqalisa phansi ve. So manje abantu uthi patience abala ndo. Abantu patience bebabengile ama team lana.
But it's a big side, it's a big side. How do you have patience? Ethibile enkulu. Usithi yenkulu eZimbabwe.
Ubone ezincane zankona zonke zi.
I think eZimbabwe yela amakhapa amaningi. Dynamos.
Ndo. Dynamos yasimela ku
Khafu nje.
Yafika ku final.
Final, yafika ku final. 98. Uthi vele le history yankona vele inkulu kakhulu.
Okayililo kubona history yana vele yasho ukuthi hayi kanti uhamba njani eZimbabwe.
Yakhumbula ngutshela ngoJalai.
Eh.
Frustrated. He's a good player, Jane.
Very good player.
And khanya team wenjani? Uyayithanda. Uyagcine
Uyacela sithi hayi la msemeli.
Umuzi bambona phela umuzi bathi nabe
sithi
emkheleni.
hayi mana move.
But ku game proper one. Vele the big challenge versus Imozi.
Hayi Mozi. Wesihome yabo.
Bevula stadium.
Bevula stadium.
Hayi bebe
bethathi.
Hayi vele bebe bethathi 3 points.
It was a tough game.
Imozi is good for Imozi.
Kakhulu.
Vula stadium lidla Dynamos.
Dynamos on top
of
futhi
Dala mbone behlanya abantu ndoda.
Ngibone abantu ama video itwa stadium besisheka ndoda. Uma stands.
Was it tested properly? Yazi into le ngeke ngayizwa. Even uma comments
but abanye bathi it's okay for ukuthi singabi lesesiqinile. Kuthiwa ama engineer bekwazi into ezisheka laphana.
Uthi sithune probe.
But siyabe si probe.
Because I don't think ukuthi sasitest full run kulabantu because lami kungethusile
ukuthi size zo engineer bangona ukuthi bathini ngokusheka kwaso.
Lami kungethusile nje.
Ngafa phela.
Bathe sishap bona for Premier League. But as long as kungalanto embenza ke le ukuthi siphomba le fee nje
ukusheka maybe sizezwe ama engineers sekhulutela ukuthi abantu hayi na relax man.
Siphomba le fee culture na kunala lutho. Then Scotland Platinum.
Yeah.
How it's a lovely draw.
It's a lovely draw.
Lovely draw.
Lovely one. But the corporate chayo ngumva into ngiselimani. Awucha short into. Awucha short second half clean.
Platinum.
Vele I think yaba goal of the season.
Masiyanga usithi goal of the season. Basazohlohla nje.
Lichayiwe ndodelana. Alabe likhona kwampala uma nominees ye goal of the season. Ulichayile ndoda vele
yazi
it was a good goal.
Ngedraw le Platinum le Scotland sembona ukuthi u-29 Ndera will struggle. That team will struggle even bengazi ukuthi because at least sokuqalisile ukushape phela. After 7 games.
Sokushape
after
about 10 games phela yabeselibona
isiyafiseduze 7 games yasokushape. There must be a direction etshengisa ukuthi iScotland
ifungihamba njani
iba bala big name players eZimbabwe.
Yes ukuthi tough yabantu wonke umuntu uyabafuna.
Everyone
wonke umuntu uyabafuna. So i-character kumele ibe top usibili ngoba njalo Platinum la ama big teams mapheza la uyakhuluma ukuthi
Platinum is a big team. Platinum is a big team.
Lami semfunga uthanda.
And a point away from home is always good. Any day is always good.
Weseni game like that very yabo expect yona leyanto but afana njani besinike something. Yabo official batholi draw sesiyazama la udinga win home uyabe se right.
You understand? Also i-Islanders i-draw Lengezi. It's a good one. It's a very good draw.
Good result for them. Ngoba Engezi ndoda vele benkunu besithi why not for Engezi.
Seke into engichazayo yazi wini. Zonke izinto engazipredictayo isizini iqalisa. UPTC wathi ngabatshena ngathi hayi yebo is a good keep but wait till benika i-chance u-reward. Reward Musa 2 clean sheets.
Ama
game angikhona tricky games. Versus Caves versus Ngezi uthatha ama clean sheet mdala. Hayi commanding i-defense yakho.
Well done.
U-Arthur
the defense yakhe
uyayicommand. Even though yes they might
obviously vele ama chances ayenziwa ama team but uqathekile engangeni. Into enhlaba yenza.
It's good for i-Islanders.
Phela ngaba le good defense and ama chances zokuwina
maningi kakhulu. Vele as long as you shut it back to
because obviously athe seven bebe away. Wena bengabuya futhi eBF babamba 1 note ibhola liyaphela. Yabo le good defense vele 1 note
ngoba kuhoma badleki.
Antsho yabo
abakadliwa bathatha ama 3 points.
Bathatha ama 3 points. Yabo so that doing well.
Then izolo sambe sabona ichicken in. Eish. Is the last game, huh? Chicken is the last game. It's the last one. I paid for chicken.
kunzima. Kunzima. Asazi ukuthi bazayenzani.
But in terms of Ibora,
Izolo they played.
Ibora they played well.
Izolo they played.
They really played. Angazi umbe support.
Izolo bebefuna.
Izolo ukugcwele uvevuni. People really came through. Abantu babuye. Abantu balilambela Ibora nje. Kumbe uthi transfer ivike transfer.
But izolo nje. Izolo abantu bangeni.
Izolo bekugcwele nje.
But it was a good game.
Proper.
Simba.
I saw
the chicken nini anchu yabona
mfana nothi ngomakunike weSimba lo Jane
awupasi
Junior Makunike lo Ibhora uyalazi
awupasi ku pass sibili
Junior Makunike Ibhora uyalazi amfutshela manga is a bowler the striker sabi even iskhuta khuthila
is a good striker
but it was a game of 2 halves, first half belongs to chicken in. They did not utilize.
Especially first 20 minutes chicken in.
Bro, George Machiga.
I was on top of his game.
Udlalini. First half chicken in did well. Bakutha ama chances. Second half they got punished. First 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Bevela ku break.
Bevela attacker la. Why lazangena kudala
awuchazekile uJoje awuphahla but I think he's turning the corner now team sayibona since the announcement yabo uthi but win 2 what
but 3 games
but win 3 games so set 9 points out of the 3
feature a good team
a really good team. Let me just run through nje ama games nje wonke nje base siwakhayilele in detail, then we look at the log standing nge Saturday with Greenfield draw 0-0 then Sunday Manica Diamonds the third 1-2 Triangle yadli yada 1-0 Caps yadliwa iBikita 0-1 then yesterday's matches it's unfortunate ngalesi sikhulume ngayo ekhwekele le Renters engasadlalanga. Chicken in lost to Simba Bora 0-1 then Moz beat Dynamos 1-0 Scotland drew with Platinum 1-1 Highlanders drew with Ngezi 0-0 to the log standing we see Moz sitting pretty well on top abakadliwa I think from now zi 2 team ezingakadliwa
the
Platinum and what's fun iPlatinum ayikadliwa but kulog tape wesh
too many draws
too many draws so Joel Uphahla with 9 points ihle wajump wako number 2 imozi yabona imozi sivula igap 3 points
3 points is ne
3 points is neng vele so bavula igap nge 3 points over i defending champions iSimba Bora. Then we have Ngezi Platinum in third position with star-studded Scotland or number 4 Tail 1 that's the top 5. Let me just give the top 8 roughly. Number 4 is Scotland, number 5 is Tail 1, number 6 is Manica Diamonds, 7 Highlanders, then number 8 we have Greenfield. Then the bottom 4 teams that might get relegated with Triangle on 4 points. Number 18. Then we've got Caps United. Hey, it's pretty set for Caps United. Number 17. Languishing at the bottom. Hey, my dude.
Imagine
team enkulu nje.
Phezulu kwawo.
Then ikhwekwe edlalanga khona.
Edlalanga phezulu kwawo.
Team problems now, on 5 points. Then Iata also on 5 points, number 15. Hey, check kule Dynamos khona
but phansi
number 14.
One win uphele yaphansi iqansa zonke.
But problem yazi wena asikuthi lezi yabe ziwina. Zabe zingamanga. So ilokhu might change. Awule ama top goal scorers.
Ama top goal scorers hayi
because so far I know ukuthi top goal scorer umfana lo uNavaya on 7 but the rest abantu bebela ama 3-2 because bekulandela uManinja on 3 with a few guys on 3 points abanye 2-2 so uma top goal scorers uNavaya uvula igame
because iningi vele unavaya 7 uStiyo 3
abaningi bakuma 3
abaningi bakuma 3 abaningi 3-2 yena nguyosehambile.
Then there is an issue that I want us to look at singakakhayeli fixture of the coming games. There is an issue eka Michael Nis lo Zifa president bese UK uyakhuluma labafana laba esesakhuluma ngabo laba.
Abafana laba
That does not sit well with me. Che imali yelizwe, imali yezifa. Going kuyancenga abafana kulomfana oyi1 asebekhuluma angazi awugurizo we-Wolves I don't know lwana think umnetsi ama talks la wamtshela ukuthi hayi usharp ukudlala ekhaya but che imali lana we've got a lot ngiyakhala kakhulu abazancedisa ama viewers abanye abalombono njengowami ngingazi ukuthi wakhumbono uthini Topi kunamakhaya eZimbabwe we have good quality players. Michael Nis ugijimisa ukuthi behle because into omele silungise proper
to develop
ibhola la
because sonke asinyeke sithi sincenge umuntu ongangalo wena ulento zonke umuntu omele ezicabangele yedwa ezinike iheart yokuthi indlaleleni
my country
and but osekhaya vele iwish yakhe vele iliyani yokuthi che mina vele mfudla uma Warriors but lwana uyabe undecided ngoba uyabe ga uthi ekhanyele ngalento enje ngadlala mina
babadlala abaningi badla ama juniors
ngithi abaningi yathi but yeba so inkwane phela but ama caps ngathola ngayo uyabona ngala that heart liyani ukuthi ebekwazi ukuthi into yenza abaZimbabwe nebezobukela ibhola kuyini okunye lakwana kufilayo kana ukuthi but lapha kuyadutshewa la ngani ukuze ngibe li player sibili kumele ngikhambe through in labana obvious ngale yonke into yabethola but
that's my point exactly
ufukula maybe emsarabani ngiyofukula ngapi indoda ngumuntu le teammate
I tell you kulama players that are good in and around Zimbabwe uthi imali lesingayichanela kuhle behambisa ama scouts uzamangana
that's true
mthala ungathi uMichael Nis isikhala ukuthi uyehlule kubhoda ebukele local football
because kuba khona ama good players
so many abakhulela even bona laba bafana abalande endlini abaningi kakhulu
iproblem nasesifuna ukuthi
I'm not for that angazi ukuthi aba viewers azathini on this point but I don't see the point.
I think you have to develop abafana from everywhere like you. Uhambe ukogwekwe udinge uhambe eCholocho, uhambe ngaphi Lupane uyabona.
Umagwizi ngabe yinto abhizi ngayo ngabe ngimnika ihlobo.
Because
Inyarazo iyabisponsiwe. Inyarazo ibifaka imali le mali zezifa abantu begade nje indeke behlala eUK ngale bespend nje imali ikhona phela ama priorities wa wrong
yiko phela ngikutsho ukuthi at least imali lezi ngayithatha si develop junior league yethu yala emakhaya siyenze
kube into serious
ngazo for ukuthi ibhola li develop because it's hard ukuthi wena sihambe siyothi imagine amazwe wonke maye aqalisa ukuthi ama African teams asambe soncinga abolokuzeni abangala ngeke kuphume ngeke kuphume
khangela eduze mina
ngikhayela akula muntu omedla national team
exactly
because ngale
banengi
phela ndoda hayi
banengi kakhulu
30 because banengi
we are spending time ucheck abafana labana ngale ngapha kule ma player
amaningi kakhulu elizweni lakho
that's why
sithi development yethu ukuthi
akula exactly akula
sima ama juniors sithi besiyenzele bona ngala ama juniors yeah
but yet sikeza bona abafana laba be Scotland bamba badlala Pirates Cup
ngiyabona
they're doing well ba win
yikho lapho kumele siba
into bele sizikhayele khona sichannel imali yethu ku funding I development sikhayele abafana aba in and around because Zimbabwe is big
very big
national team coach engazinika isikhathi national team coach engazinika isikhathi I tell you abode i-motivation azayinika even engabuya khona panele uveveza obukela lina D1
kuthiwa vele uhambe italent liningi
awusoze
hayi
uswele
italent liningi
awusoze
because sometimes bona ngale oyabe ngale uyabe usithi is a good player because he's privileged
that side
that side
engabuya ngapha is different
sesingafanana uyabona
ebe waste
ebe
because
waste.
it's different environment altogether.
You see,
Understand?
another thing. So, asazi maybe bona the wale ilihlo
hayi akula lihle afcon nje hayi akula lihle nje and abafana yazibilile into ekhawatha abafana abakhuluma ngawo ngama 17 18 ngabafana abancane
and asikwazi ukuthi will they make it yabo. It's another thing.
That's another story. For another day. Ngoba abaningi abadlali emathimini la.
Abadlali emathimini la. Yiko kutsho ukuthi uyatshiwa umuntu loniwe wadlala ngaphi junior. So
Jay, Slow Billion Tony udlala eBelgium. Akula umuntu ohamba esiyamkhanyeni. Is ranking in good numbers.
Uyabombonile ukuthi uqalisele la. Echechili imagine. Sawa wabona khona samkhuluma wathi sesha sehambile emazweni.
Bahle ukuthi becheck I'm into lana engichazanga la. Hayi honest hayi.
Yona is something yokuthi so which means for me to play so mele ngihambe ngiyokhulela ngayo. It's another thing uyabona. Of which I saw umuntu wonke ongakwanisa.
Hayi.
Uyabo.
Okay, asicheke ke week 8 ama fixtures.
Ufuna lapha qhaisa Friday.
Aqhaza Friday 25. Rentals le Greenfield le Rufaro.
Yahanje.
Kuyafio. Any week le yazi tricky hand. Kule midweek. It's week 8 week 9.
Whoa.
Yeah. Kule midweek. It's week 8 week 9. So what's best is so check I check ka week 8.
I share week 8.
Week 9 siza check kuhle. Se nge Wednesday esizadlala. So match day 8 fixtures and Friday 25 April we've got the Rentals taking on a Greenfield. I'll do prediction for now. I'm
seeing a lovely throw.
This one is always another throw. Then Saturday 26 we've got only one fixture Friday. Then Saturday 26 April 2025 Tail One is taking on Highlanders Ascot Stadium.
Tail One straight.
It's another draw for Island.
Tail One straight.
Yes, Tail One is on for, but I see another draw for Islanders because away at home. Then I've got a Pekita Mineral taking on Ngezi Platinum Equipo.
And I'm seeing another draw.
If you didn't have a draw, okay. I see Ngezi taking this one. But vela go draw Islander. Ba win away. Ipikiti vela win. Who keeps away. I said tricky fix. Then Iata versus Cape United. Iata 33 points the Capes there.
Win draw for Iata.
It's a Rufaro win.
Win draw for Iata.
Platinum versus Triangle Emandava.
I give it to Platinum.
Platinum, man. Karipa versus Scotland. Nyamunga Stadium.
Another draw.
For Scotland?
Yes. Karipa or draw.
This one is going to see the trick. So, it need to be a low scoring game. Winning, I win a one note.
And it should be a 0-0 draw.
Oh, exactly. Or a 0-0
draw.
Then Simba, this is a game of the week, Ching. Simba the most.
I give it to Simba.
What's arrived?
What's arrived? What's arrived? It's a win draw.
To Simba?
Yeah.
This is a straight draw.
This
is straight draw. They 1-1. They straight draw 1-1. Then Imanika taking on it. This is what I came go down. Chin in the wheels. Everyone just carrying over the Matima 2.
So made see who Platinum Triangle. But you ask what Tail One. You may calf.
Equero. I would have to be sneaky Maris. Man.
You, J.
Man, I wonder if no sneaky Maris, say cover.
Abaye, so
eh?
Baye, so Bafa something.
Eh,
that's a game to
So
see,
kubulawa
to
this week
watch.
akula game nje.
I think that's a game
Not
to
even.
watch even.
Wonke ama-team away. Then iDynamos the last game of the week is Dynamos taking on Quick.
Asazi quick
Amboni iyadlalwa le. Kumele behle belungisise. I doubt ukuthi izadlala nxa bengalungisisanga this one iDynamos yachaya walkover. Nxa belungisisile but bengaze belungisise iDynamos yathatha 3 points. iDynamos bengahamba I see Dynamos taking 3 points.
But manje it's a tough game because ikhwekwe yangikhona ama-players angikhona kuyahanjwa
But
bona in terms of ukuthi sithi abasoke befulifile indaba yemali but in terms of ibhora
sebetshaya kakhulu ama-4-5 lawo sebedliwe kakhulu ama-4 ba-away
but
iDynamos
iyaba-motivator
hayi akula motivation iDynamos iyakudla nxa belungisile I see Dynamos taking 3 points egemini
obviously akumele kube 3 points yabo hawa kuyafiwa.
Those are the fixtures for the weekend 25 to 27. Those are the fixtures for the weekend 25 to 27. And it has been a lovely show. Kule into engikhuthile Topi sengakavani. Mboni lokhuzeni eyayilinda iboard and ikhiphe i-press release. Highlanders Football Club is delighted to announce the following leadership appointments as resolved by the Board of Trustees and Board of Directors at their meeting on Wednesday, April 16. So kube reshuffling lapha weboard angazi kwezwe yilokhuzeni. But anyway, upatron Mr. J.S. Ncube, upresident MD Sandi, board chairman Elmkandla, board vice chair Els Khosana, then board secretary M Swind. Angazi TV njani but that's the new board. I hope they will take it through amashina gezi lawa yenza le bazayikhangela nje kuhle nje
sebe maybe konkhona owayenzakalayo sokuba yavule enye i-30 ukuthi but lapha uhamba njani
kule into eziningi
ezirong kumele sizilungisise. I think maybe kuzabachintshela lawo with the coming games.
Mele belungisise. I think on that note, that's it for this week's show. I hope you enjoyed. As always, please like, subscribe, comment on the comment section, and share to
my predictions.
You understand? And share to your friends. Everything.
Maybe that's just an improve.
And abasempopoma abantu bebeleke bedlula bemangala ali WhatsApp iBhenaya nalezi empopoma. Come through, have a lovely shopping, enjoy your shopping nje eKasi ungatholanga nzima where you get everything khona lapha eBhenaya. That's it for this week. Machisa lina this week
sile Boso 9
another 3 points. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next week.